Go.
We think we have a bass on the line.
Fish on.
Yeah, it's a nice,
Oh.
pretty good sized largemouth.
No.
Hey, you didn't even eat your guppy thing.
Whoa. Did you go hooked?
Nope, right in the, it's like hooked on the tongue.
Mark.
Please tell me you brought pliers.
Yeah, I brought pliers.
Okay. Get those pliers.
Teresa, could you get the pliers that are in my tackle box?
Yep.
Where did you hook him? That you're
In
pulling?
the back of the tongue. Oh. Right behind. Towards his back.
Hey, Mark, come hold this.
Oh, okay.
Mark is at the bottom. Yeah, it is.
Ow.
Here you go.
Well, let's hope that I can get a fish on next time.
Hey, Jacob, it's a win-win. You got a fish, and you get to keep your hook and your bait.